Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Reddy Nokala. Now we are making a recipe, poached egg. So let's get into the recipe now. First of all, we need the ingredients like a fresh egg, full fresh egg. We have many ways to taste a fresh egg. We can keep in a water, or we can keep use a strainer to check a fresh egg also. Like the another major ingredient for making a poached egg, we need vinegar, and another thing which is nothing but which we can use a strainer, which we can remove from the poached egg from the water. So coming, these both are the main ingredients, but some of them use salt also while making a poached egg. But according to me, the salt changes the density of water, so and the poached egg will also not come good. So I prefer using vinegar. The first step is nothing but we have to take a saucepan or any pan, and we have to fill water around 3/4, above 3/4 level of the pan, which is a good quantity of water used for the poached egg. This is the perfect quantity. I think it is preferable, and I also prefer for making a poached egg. And we have to let it boil once and till we add vinegar. We can see a small bubbles coming from down. I prefer this is the right temperature because for making a perfect poached egg I prefer around it would be like 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. If you'll make in a more temperature, the egg would get cooked fast or it could not get shaped. So 75 to 80 degrees temperature is more preferable for making a poached egg. So after we can see a bubbles from the down, we can reduce the flame a little. Now we can add vinegar into water. Vinegar into the water. So now we have to mix it well. After after vinegar mixes completely well in the water, like we have to mix once again. Like I mostly prefer like making a vertex in the center. I usually call it the tornado or cyclone, which I prefer mostly because while keeping in the center of the vertex, I prefer mostly the in the center vertex. Making will make the perfect poached egg, which I mostly prefer. Like first of all, you have to make a vertex in the center. If you can make a big vertex also, like it will be take prefer more time. And just now take the egg and slowly keep in the center. And you can see the perfect poached egg is forming slowly in the center of the pan. Like we should let it cook slowly, and after it cooks perfectly, we can remove the perfect poached egg. After it cooks perfectly, you have to slowly remove it from the water. Slowly remove it from the water. Slowly remove it and place it on a nice plate. Place it on a plate, nice plate, and we can check it with a knife. For testing the perfect steak, take a knife and cut it slowly. Like it, the post steak should be little runny. Yeah. We can enjoy this post steak. We can enjoy this post steak with some like asparagus or like a sauteed vegetables, or like we can simply eat with like keeping some pepper by sprinkling some pepper and little salt on the top, and we can enjoy this poached steak. Thank you for watching this video. Hope I think you liked my video of my poached steak, and I think this is my first trial of poached steak. Of course, I failed around many times, but the final product, when you practice, the final result you get remains forever, and you got the perfect at end, and the perfection remains forever. Thank you.